Hey everybody, I'm Wargachuk, and this is my weekly tarot and crystal guidance video for June the 18th through the 24th. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited because it feels like summer here in Toronto, and I bet it feels like summer for you wherever you are. And if you're somewhere tropical, it's just normal, so jelly. Here we go. Let's give the cards a really good shuffle, and Monday the 18th is the Sun. This is the Yes card. This is obtainment and your wishes and your dreams. It's getting the things that you want, and Monday is going to about being in the highest vibration and being in alignment with your higher self and what your vision is. So it's very important to understand and realize that you are what you think, and be mindful of the things that you are saying to yourself. Think about the I am statements and the I can't statements and switch those into I am amazing and I can do this. And the more you have positive reinforcement, you become the reality that you speak to yourself. Speak to yourself like you are the most important thing in the whole universe, and the whole universe will bend and shape around you into a magnificent, wonderful thing. So the crystal card for Monday is labradorite. And labradorite connects to the crown chakra and your third eye, and it's about transformation. And definitely Monday is about transformation because it helps with transforming by energizing the imagination. And this is a very powerful barrier crystal for creating wards of protection around your home or around yourself. So the important question that it brings to light is, can change be easy? Yes. So be mindful of the things that you're saying to yourself and transform and change in wonderful ways. Tuesday the 19th is the Knight of Pentacles, which is a very entrepreneurial card. And I like the Knight of Pentacles because it is all about opportunity to bring more money into your life, doing a side hustle or having a side project where you can make some extra cash, using your extra skills or your hobbies in a financial means or a way to bring more income into your life. It also represents slow moving sound business advice, so using a plan of action in order to actuate and achieve your goals. So use your calendar app on your phone, write down a to-do list and check it off as you're doing it, and that's how you're going to achieve success on Tuesday the 19th. And the crystal card that corresponds with that is red calcite, and it connects to your root chakra, and it is about increased physicality, vigorates the root chakra to resolve sexual and other root chakra issues. This question it brings to mind is, how can you balance your mind and your physical body? So exercise, take care of your body, and invigorate your mind and keep balance, because when you're building a business or working on a project, you're working in the physical world. You're bringing wealth and prosperity into the physical world. So your root chakra has to have no blockages. So work on exercising, taking care of your physical body. Your body is a temple, and in order to bring wealth and prosperity into that temple, you have to take care of it. So Wednesday the 20th is the Six of Pentacles, and this is about charity. So if things aren't going really good financially, or you have an idea, a really good idea, that's something you're really passionate, maybe that business that you came up with on Tuesday, and you need to raise funds, why don't you think of using crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is a very powerful, easy way to use your friends and rally people around you. And if it's a really good idea, it could go viral, and you can make a lot of money to start up a really cool business that you probably could thought that was just a pipe dream becomes reality and manifests. The other aspect of the Six of coins, pentacles, is you have to think about, if things are going really good for you, how can you help others? What can you contribute to others to help them get to the same financial level as you? So if you've got the money to give it. And if you need money, think about the modern futuristic ways we have in technology and apps and crowdfunding to make money flow into your life. So the crystal card for Wednesday is honey calcite, which is about solace. It connects to our solar plexus, which is about will and strength. And it brings reassuring and gives us the feeling that the divine is with us. And the question is when you're really worried about your situation and stuff like that, sometimes you have to hand your worry over to something higher. Give it to your higher self, ask your guides. But the question that Honey Kelsey kind of brings into the vibration of is, what worries can you give to the divine now? So write out all the things you're super worried about and hand them over to the universe, hand them over to God, hand them over to your angels or your guides. So write them out on a piece of paper and then just burn them, light a candle and burn them. Let the universe take care of them. So Thursday the 21st is leaving a difficult situation. We've got the Six of Swords. So this really means that sometimes when you're in a situation, the only thing you can do is walk away from it. It could be leaving a job, a difficult relationship, or walking away and leaving the negative thoughts and patterns that you've created. You have to let go of the infrastructure and the way that you live your life in order to live a new, better life. So move away from the difficult situation, set a chart, set a path to a better life, a better future. And even though it's very difficult, it's going to be worth the transition. So the crystal card is, wow, Blue Tiger's Eye connects to your throat chakra, which is about communication and expression, and it's strength to communicate, promotes confidence to make decisions, and courage to voice them. And the question that it kind of brings to mind into vibration is, what do you need to express that will change your life? So sometimes you need to stand up and say what it is you need and what you want to say. And then when you can, what's so wonderful about Blue Tiger's Eye is it connects the solar plexus, which is strength and will, to the throat chakra. So let the fire inside you speak up for yourself, express yourself, and then do what you need to do, even if it's difficult, in order to bring yourself into a better situation. So you got the strength, you got the power. So Friday the 22nd, we've got the Queen of Cups, which is about carrying deep emotions. It could represent a mother-like figure in your life who is an acquaintance who is very caring and worries about a lot of people and has a lot of people kind of in her circle that she's always giving motherly advice, but she really is the type of person who actually needs caring and love. So why don't you go and buy flowers for that person and brighten their day and give them the attention and the love that they're sharing with other people? Because most of the times the Queen of Cups is someone who has been victimized. They maybe have lost, they're a widow, they lost a husband, or they've suffered a great trauma like the loss of a child, and they're suffering. And that's why they love so deeply for other people, because maybe their love, they lost something so important. So why don't you do something wonderful as a surprise for the Queen of Cups to raise your vibration, and it's going to make you feel good. And I think that's what you really need to do. So the crystal card for Friday the 22nd is Lemurian Quartz. It's about greater truth, and it resonates in our crown chakra. It accesses messages of oneness, acceptance, and guidance from the Lemurian source. And the question it brings us into vibration is, are you looking for the truth? We're all looking for the truth. For me, I'd much rather live in a daydream and fantasy and illusions, but for all of you other people who want to live with the cold, hard, icy, steely truth, go for it if that's what you're looking for. So, Saturday the 23rd, we've got the Knight of Wands. I love the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is about fiery passion, excitement, and usually the Knight of Wands, when he shows up, it means there's a person who is going to gallivant into your life, who's going to set you on fire with life purpose and passion, and impress you with the information and the things that they're passionate about, and they're going to maybe lead you down a road you've never thought of traveling before, and they're going to give you tasks and ambitions that you've never really expected. So look out for the Knight of Wands, grab him by the hand, and go with him willingly. The crystal card for Saturday is Snowflake Obsidian. It connects to the root chakra. It is about comfort, and it gives us the grounding feeling of everything is all right. So everything is all right if you feel anxious, and this is a stone that's very good for people who are grieving or feeling severe anxiety, and the vibration it brings us into is, are you living in the present. So what's really exciting is that if you're not living in the present and you're focusing on the past or you're worrying about the future, the Knight of Wands is the person who's going to shock you, set you on fire for the present, and live life in the now. So live life in the now, get some snowflake obsidian, and run wild and run away with the Knight of Wands. So Sunday the 21st, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited. It is Pride Sunday here in Toronto, and we're going to have the big Pride Parade. Millions of people come out to watch people celebrate their pride. Let's check out and it's the Page of Pentacles, which means possibilities and excitement of apprenticeship. So it's about exchanging your time in order to learn something that will make you money in the future. What are you so passionate about that you're willing to invest your time into learning about? Think about it, because something you're going to experience on Sunday is going to make you really excited about a possible career or investment or that you want to incorporate into your everyday life. Maybe you're interested in turning tarot reading into a full-time thing, or learning how to become a crystal healer. And you're going to see that if other people are doing it and making a successful full-time job of it, that you could do it too. It's a possibility. So the last but not least, the crystal card for Sunday is all about sodalite, and it connects to our throat chakra. It's about speaking your truth, encourages you to speak your truth confidently and uncovering your happiness. So I think that the wonderful message this week was all about transformation and communicating the things we want and moving away from the things that don't serve us anymore and moving and living in the present. So the question that sodalite kind of vibrates is what is my path to happiness? So you can be happy now and you can find your happiness, and sometimes that means letting go and letting the world fall apart and fall away from you and finding the vibration and the place you need to be. And sometimes it's waiting for a person to come along to set you on fire, to inspire you. And I know for me, 17 years ago, when I was like working in a library and wearing cute turtlenecks and super shy, that a friend at like 11 o'clock at night, which was past my curfew, called me and said, "You need to get over here right now." And I was like, okay, like what happened? So I went over to his house and I got there, and this crazy person jumped out of a closet covered in glitter, wearing Le Chateau from top to bottom. And this was a boy in a small town. And I'm all like, what the hell are you? And he explained, I'm Princess Utopia, and I'm here to make your life interesting. Fast forward to the future. Everyone has a story about a person who comes into their life that changes everything, that inspires them, that sets them on fire, and gives them the ability to live their life to the fullest and be a person they've always wanted to be. Josh is definitely that person, and I'm so thankful to have had the opportunity to meet so long ago my Knight of Wands. And I know that everybody has a Knight of Wands and they meet them in different times in their lives. So I'm so happy and excited that I have turned into the person that I am today. I'm so excited to hear about all the wonderful stories that you guys are going to tell me about how your week unfolds. I'm wishing you guys all an amazing week. Thank you all for the wonderful messages and for everybody who has been signing up to the Udemy workshops, online free and the paid ones. I'm up to over 3,000 students. Which is like a miracle. It's been a really, really wonderful experience. I'm trying to get to all of your messages, but I've been really busy catching up with my real life job at Happy Soul. I've just caught up with all of my readings. My last Crystal Master certification weekend workshop is tomorrow, which is yesterday for people who are watching this video. And then my next workshop for the Crystal Master Certification one-day course will be in September the 15th, a Saturday. I'm taking the summer to figure out what my action plan is going to be and what new workshops that I'm going to be creating online and at Happy Soul. So thank you everybody for believing in me, because I believe in you. Have an amazing week. Bye!